When we do site investigation, we collect samples. That's what we did today. We collect some sample. If you look at this one, you will see that it's sand. And this sand is moist. It's very important to find out the water content. So how much water is in this soil. And to do this, we will carry out a test which is called water content test. It's a pretty simple test. What we need is a scale we have here, and we have tins, the empty tins. What we're going to do is we're going to measure the weight of each tin, and we'll start with number 1. We're going to put it on the scale, and we will write down the weight, which is number 1 tin 131.1. Then we're going to take the sample, this moist sand, and we're going to put it in the tin. And then we'll take the measurements. It will be 177 grams and 74. We need to do at least 3 tests, because if we do 1 test, there may be some error. We do 3 tests so that we can get the average and we can get more reliable data. So we'll do the same procedure with second tin. We'll put it on the scale. We'll get its initial weight, which is 128.4 grams. Then we're going to add more of this nice and moist sand. About 3 scoops will be fine. And then we'll get the measurement, 189.8. And the third tin, the weight of this empty tin is 107 grams. Again, we'll add sand, about 3 scoops, a little bit more. And get the measurement of 173.5 grams. After that, we'll take all these tins and put them in the oven. The temperature of the oven should be 105 degrees Celsius. And we'll wait for 1 day, 24 hours. So tomorrow we'll come back and take those tins out of the oven and measure the weight of them again. Okay, after 24 hours, we'll take samples out of the oven. So they're dry now. We will measure the mass of the dry soil, and then we will calculate water content. We'll start with tin number 1. And record the mass, 175.16. Tin number 2, it's 186 grams, 0.87. And tin number 3, 170.31 grams. To calculate the water content, we will use this formula. We need to know the mass of wet soil, and I will do it for tin number 1. It will be 177.74. We will subtract the mass of dry soil, 175.16. And here we'll divide by the mass of dry soil with the tin minus the mass of the tin, which is 131.1. And then we change it to percentage. It should give us about 5.87. We'll round to 5.9%. So for the first test, we get 5.9%. If we repeat the procedure for tins number 2 and number 3, we'll get for the second test about 4.9%. and for the third one we'll get about 5.03, round to 5.0. So now we look at the results. They're within range from 4.9 or 5 to 5.9. It makes sense. There is not much variability in these results, and we'll finish for this. Thank you.